screen bent. Screen first. Hey guys, we just finished that phone I just saw. It was an iPhone 6s space gray. Pretty much what happened was the frame was bent and it kind of bent the screen as well. So the screen felt like it was coming off, but it wasn't. It was just a frame. But still, it kind of caused the actual frame of the screen to kind of bending the frame overall. So I had to pretty much take everything apart, realign the frame, kind of fix it, and then put a brand new screen on it so that it'll be all flush and straight. So that's what we did for them, and everything was great. Everything just looked flush and straight like an arrow. So, and that will conclude vlog 196. Thank you for watching this Phon-Er Gold, and have a beautiful day, and stay out of the sun and be cool and coolest with the high vibes, high up. Peace.